Today we will revise this chapter long and short. The final revision of this chapter, as I said, all problems you are going to do it on your own. So take the notebook and start doing the problems. If you are not getting the answers, always you can ask me in the chat box. Final revision, long and short. Go through the question and identify the correct answer. Total length of the boundary of a closed figure. Total length of the boundary. This length, this length, this length, this length. Total length of the boundary. Whatever the field you take, total length of the boundary. The length of the boundary is always called as perimeter. Perimeter is called the boundary, the total boundary of the field. So first option is perimeter. Second onwards, you please keep doing. If you know the answers, go to chat box and give the answer. Don't shout in the class. Don't disturb the class. First question I did for you. The total boundary is always called as perimeter. So first question option is C. You have to write the question and identify the answer. Second question onwards, you have to do. I'm not going to any questions, the revision class. You please think and get the answer and let me know in the chat box. Keep doing problems. Important points which we have to remember. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. In the last class also I wrote these formulae which are important. Second question is 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? Recollect this important formula. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. The formula itself asked as a question in the revision. Write these questions and answer them. Don't shout, don't make noise. If you want to ask something, one by one, unmute yourself and ask. Switch on the video, otherwise I am going to remove the students whose video is off. Bhavyasri, your video is off. Akshara, your video is off. Should I remove you from the class? Akshara, why your video was off? Akshara, why the video was off? Huh?
Sorry, sir. I'll keep it on.
Now, earlier it was off. Why? Bhavyasri. Bhavyasri. Why the video was off? Manas Kumar. Third one, 7 kilometers means how many meters? 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. 7 kilometers means 7 into 1000. That will be 7000 meters. Manas Kumar, your video is off. How many times I have to roll you, huh? Dakshik. Whatever questions I have given the revision work, which are not the new questions, discussed many number of times in the earlier classes. 5 meters, how many centimeters? So you have to look at the relation between centimeter and meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 5 meters will be 5 into 100, 500 centimeters.
Sir, this right?
Which one?
This one, sir.
This one is question number.
Okay, sir.
When you are adding, we add centimeter to centimeter, millimeter to millimeter. We will not combine them. Write all these questions in your notebook. Charanchari, your video is off. Blessy, your video is off. Question number 5 is done. Question number 6. Length of a sari. Sari is always measured in meters. Centimeter means very small. Sari is in meters, not in kilometers. Question number seventh one. 10 kilometers minus 3 kilometers 400. First one 10 kilometers. In the second one meters are there. In the first one only kilometers are there, whereas in the second one kilometer and meters both are there. So what I am doing is this also let me write in terms of meters. 10 kilometers means 9 kilometer and 1 kilometer. Together 10 kilometers. This 1 kilometer I can write as 1000 meters. So 9 kilometers and 1000 meters. From that 3 kilometers 400 to be subtracted. 1000 meters 400 meters will be 600 meters. 9 minus 3 will be 6 kilometers. That will be the answer. Identify where it is and give.
Sir, repeat that one more time.
Yes. He is asking to subtract 3 kilometers 400 meters from 10 kilometers. 10 here we have only kilometer, whereas in this we have kilometer and meters also. So these meters are there. Here also better to get meters, but meters are not given. So 10 kilometer I am writing as 9 kilometer plus 1 kilometer will become again 10 kilometer. 1 kilometer was separated. That 1 kilometer is always 1000 meters. So in the place of 1 kilometer, I can write 1000 meters. So 9 kilometers and 1000 meters is the first one. 9 kilometer, 1000 meters is nothing but 10 kilometer only. So 9 kilometer, 1000 meters. From this 3 kilometer, 400 meters to be subtracted. So from this, subtract this. 9 minus 3, 6. 1000 minus 400 will be 600. Kilometers to be removed from kilometers. Meters to be subtracted from meters. Eighth one. Which of these will be in centimeters? Length of a laptop. Saree will be in meters. Depth of well will be in meters. So length of laptop can be taken as the answer. In spite of my instructions, many students' video is off. I am going to remove them from the class. Aditya Pavan. Aditya Pavan, your video is off. Aditya Pavan, why the video was off? Aditya Pavan, your video was off. You are removed from the class. Even you switch off the camera for even 1 second also, I am going to remove them. Trishank. Trishank. Trishank, why the video was off? Trishank, why the video was off? You are removed. Rashwin. So revision class, you are supposed to do all the questions, but I am also doing for you. Now you please do. Charan Chari.
Yes, sir.
Why the video was off? Huh?
Video was on, sir.
Now earlier it was off. After when I called your name, then only switched on the video. Don't play with me.
Okay.
Seventh one I did. Eighth one is very easy. Which of these in centimeters? Length of a laptop will be in centimeters. Saree will be in meters. Depth of a well will be in meters. Ninth question, standard formula. Relation between kilometer and meter that we have already here. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters.
1000 meters, sir.
Correct. Manas Kumar, your video is off. Tarannam, your video is off.
Sir,
Even if switch
there
off 1
is some
second, also I will remove
problem.
from the class.
It look like that. It is, sir, it is problem. It is on, but it showed like that, sir.
That I don't know. Here, when I cannot see your face, I will remove. That's all.
Sir, in every class it not show. That is problem.
Ninth one, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Mute yourself. Someone house songs are coming. Don't have minimum sense. $25,000 meters will be how many kilometers? 1000 meters will be 1 kilometer. So you have to divide with 1000. Then you will get in kilometers. Meters is there, divide with 1000 because 1000 meter will be 1 kilometer. 1, 2, 3 zeros gone. So answer is 25 kilometers.
Sir, we have to write this.
Tenth one, I hope it is completed. Eleventh one.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Dr. Arun, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Dr. Arun. I am Dr. Arun, sir, father of Aditya Pawan, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, he is online, sir. He is taking your screenshots also. Unfortunately, you have removed him from the list.
Sir, if the student's camera is switched on, I am going to remove them, sir. That was instruction given on the first day itself, sir.
That is true, sir. But see, sir, that is true, sir. But sometimes technical errors may happen, sir. Sometimes your screen is also not visible.
So screen is not visible, but
because we are attending through mobile internet, sir.
Sir, it can be blur, sir, but it can't be visible.
Yeah.
It is visible, sir. Maybe blur will be there.
That is true,
visible.
sir. Yeah. I understand, sir. The thing is that we are attending through mobile and internet. Sometimes technical issues may happen. I have the proof, sir. He is taking screenshots, and I am beside him only.
Sir, I have also
That is the
proof,
reason
sir.
I immediately joined through Zoom, and I am requesting you.
Sir, I have also the proof because the recording of this class will be in YouTube. You can check, sir. After 3-4 instructions only, I have removed him. You can see the video. After the class, I will post in the YouTube.
So please, I
you
request
can
you
see the
kindly allow
videos.
him, sir. He is sitting here.
No, after the class, I will post this.
Yeah, I will look after
you
it,
can
sir.
see the records.
Okay. Okay, sir. Kindly allow him, sir, now for this time.
So once it is removed, can't be allowed, sir, in the Zoom. He has to log in with the other Gmail, then only.
Okay. Okay, then I will give my cell phone to him, sir. Now he will attend through my cell phone.
11th one. Which of the following is correct? Look at the 11th question. Length of crayon is 6 centimeters. Length of ruler is 10 kilometers. Length of math textbook is 20 meters. Look at this crayon. Look at this crayon. I'm holding in my hand. Look at this crayon. See, definitely you can see that the length of this crayon will be in centimeters. This can't be in meters. This can't be in kilometers. So length of crayon will be only in centimeters. The first option is right. Of course, we got the answer, but let us see, go for next one. Length of a ruler. Ruler means scale. Scale will be 10-15 centimeters, maximum 30 centimeters. But he's saying in kilometers, which is impossible. Now the C. Length of math textbook. So you can see the math magic textbook. That will be in centimeters only. 20 or 30 centimeters. It can't be in meters. That too 20 meters is beyond the imagination of a textbook. So the first option is right. Crayon is in my hand. You can check. This will be some 5 to 6 centimeters. So length of crayon will be in centimeters, the small measurement. 12th one. Subtract 3 millimeters from 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Subtract 3 millimeters from 3 centimeters. We did one question about kilometer subtraction in meters. When you are subtracting, you have to subtract like things. It is in millimeters. It is in centimeters. So subtraction of one unit in other unit is not feasible. So what I'm doing is 3 centimeters I can write as 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter. 2 plus 1. 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter will be 10 millimeters. 3 centimeter is written as 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter. That 1 centimeter will be in millimeters. Now, from this 3 millimeters are removed. So 10 millimeter, 3 millimeter will be 7 millimeters, and this is 2 centimeters. Two centimeters, 7 millimeters. That is the option.
Sir.
Then move to the next question. Revision class. You are supposed to do all the questions. Here and there I am helping you. Questions are in front of you.
Sir, we
try
have
and do it.
one more time. Sir,
Saifullah, your video is off. Saifullah. Pawan, your video is off. Zareen, your video is off. Tarannam, your video is off.
Sir, there is some problem, sir.
See, from day one, I am insisting you, if the video is off, I will remove. No change in my decision. If you have the problem, you have to solve it. Today is not the first day. April 1st, we started the class. It is the end of this month. If you have the problem, please solve it. Otherwise, don't come to my class. Sit at home. Next, 13th question. 7 kilometers, 500 meters. See, 500 meters is half kilometer. Generally, the usage word, which we know many number of times we heard about this. 1000 kilometers means 1 kilometer. 1000. Half of that will be 500 meters. 500 meters means half kilometer. Half kilometer means 0.5. So 7.5 kilometers. In detail about decimals, you will get in higher classes. Right now, we are not going to discuss about the decimals, which you will get in your 6th class or 7th in decimals. But the normal usage word, 500 meters means half of the 1 kilometer. Half kilometer is always 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Half and quarter. Half and quarter. The mathematical proofs for this we study in the higher classes. But right now, better to memorize this. Half means 0.5. 1/4 means 0.25. Please remember like this.
Hello, excuse.
If any doubt, you can write in the chat box instead of shouting and disturbing the class. In your notebook, please write all these questions. The revision work should be written. M. Dharvik, your video is off. M. Dharvik. Harshika, your video is off. Dharvik. Dharvik, why the video was off? What are you doing there? Seven kilometers, 500 meters will be 7.5 kilometers. The first option, it is written 7.5 meters. You have to change it. It is 7.5 kilometers. It should be 7.5 kilometers. It is written meters here. You have to change the answer. Coming to the 14th question. 1500 meters, which will be 1000 meters and 500 meters. 1000 meters means 1 kilometer. 500 meters. 500 meters means half kilometer. So 1.5 kilometer. Same as previous question. 1500 meters means 1000 meters plus 500 meters. 1000 meters means 1 kilometer. Answers are in kilometers, so I am supposed to change into kilometers. 500 meters means 1000 meters 1 kilometer. 500 meters means half kilometer. So it will be half kilometer. Half kilometer, half means 0.5. So 1.5 kilometers. Fifteenth question, direct formula. 1000 centimeters. 1000 centimeters, you want in meters. 1000 centimeter is how many meters? Conversion. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So divide with 100 to get in meters. 10 meters will be the answer. 10 meters. 1000 centimeter means 10 meters. If 100 centimeters, 1 meter. One extra zero is there, so 10 meters.
class.
16th one. Sixteenth question. Priyanka brought 3 pieces of ribbon. First one is 24 centimeters. Second one is 80 centimeters. And the third piece is 596 centimeters. Find the total length. Total length means you have to add all these 3 pieces. That's all. 24 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 596 centimeters. 3 pieces. Add them, you will get the answer. And he wants the answer to be in meters. You will get in centimeters. Divide with 100, you will get in meters. Add this. Dharvik, your video is off. Dharvik. Abhilash, your video is off. Abhilash. Done.
No.
17th one you can try if 16th is completed.
Okay, sir.
A ribbon was 41 centimeter long. Gautam was left with 18 centimeters of the ribbon after making a bow out of it. Find the length of the ribbon used to make the bow. In 41 centimeter, after using something, we left with 18. So how much is used? How much is used? 41 centimeter. I am having 18 centimeters with me. The difference is used. What is the difference? You have to subtract. 11 minus 8, 23 centimeter used. Simple subtraction. Once you understand the question, it is easy. So read the question carefully, try to get the answer. Manas Kumar, your video is off. How many times I have to tell you? Huh? Why? Why, Mr. Manas Kumar? Next time onwards, I will not inform you the video is off. I will remove immediately. It is not my job to tell always in the class. You should have that sense that should be present to the class when the camera is on. Otherwise, don't come to my class. "41 centimeter long ribbon, 18 is with us." That means the remaining is used. What is the remaining? Subtraction will give the answer. Okay. Question number 18, 19, 20. Please do it on your own. 18 is addition, 19 is subtraction, 20 is the addition of all the three different centimeters and meters. While adding or while subtracting, you have to operate meters and meters, centimeters and centimeters. "18 meters, 20 centimeters, 2 meters, 40 centimeters, add."
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
No, I'm not in mute. I'm not telling anything.
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
You are in mute, sir.
I'm not in mute. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir.
Now I can.
Yes, sir.
This is addition, this is subtraction. 20th question is again addition. 20th question is addition of 3 units. That you can do it. I'm giving homework. After this, some questions are there which are already we did. See, this type of questions we did, no? 6 kilometers means how many meters? Multiply with 1000, you will get. Okay, so this and some beautiful pictures are there. Identification of long and short. Which is long, which is short. Okay, I will share the worksheet. Whatever we have not done, please complete it. It is a revision class completely. So it is completely the revision class. Nothing new taught in this class. whatever we discussed long and short, I revised the concepts. So it is your duty to do the problems which you have not done. Remaining questions, please try to complete it and submit to me. Not in the class group, my separate mail ID or number, you can submit it. In the next class, we are going to discuss about 2 Google Forms of the first and second chapter. We will discuss the questions and we will have a small test on these 2 chapters in the next class. Okay. So see you in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.